to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable real-time protection for Windows 11. Windows 11 ships with a built-in antivirus that is known as Windows Defender, or you can say Microsoft Defender. It protects your computer from malware, viruses, etc. In case you are installing any application or performing a certain task and Windows Defender preventing you to perform certain tasks, you can disable real-time protection or temporarily. For that, click on this one start button, then click on this one settings option. In the settings window, in the left sidebar, click on this one privacy and security, then click on this one Windows security option under security section. Then click on this one open Windows security button. In Windows security, click on this one virus and threat protection in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and under virus and threat protection settings, click on this one link manage settings. Here you will find real time protection. Just turn off this one toggle switch. In case Windows prompts, click yes. This will disable real-time protection and leave your device vulnerable. After performing your certain tasks, we will recommend you to turn on this one toggle switch to protect your computer again from viruses and threats. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.